Dear traders, this is Albert with Trading Diary, and this is my weekly review. So this time for week number 30, and I had one trade and one loss, and the rest of the week was sitting out. The market was too choppy, very interesting though, and I just observed the intraday action and learned. So that's it. Let's go over it. So as you can see here, this is my trading journal. I'm always writing now for every day the SA, situational awareness, before the open and after the close. Breakouts likely to work, which I did use from a list with recent breakouts. And I do respond here, yes or no. And a lot of breakouts have not been working. So they worked one day, then they had a big pullback, and then they went again, which is really choppy. And I would have got stopped out in several trades. So I was really passive. One trade here, NVDA on Monday. It was a loser. I took it off at half risk because I saw that it was failing. I felt it kind of, and then I took it off. The rest of the day, no trades. So this is the market here. So the market's been selling off, although there is this little momentum of 3-4 days here, then gap down. Yesterday was very interesting because like Apple ran and had a big push. But it is not my setup, so I was really disciplined and I did not get in. So not my setup. I would have want this leg here to be lower, kind of shorter, kind of up here, then it would have been good. But this is not my setup. Although in future I can imagine trading this with more experience and more feeling for the markets. Because I saw it really early. So my entry would have been down here for the 2-minute opening range break, and which is $3 some. So it would have been like 3 hours with intraday, really nice. But in future, not for now. Okay, so let's go quickly over NVDA on Monday, which is here. A relatively nice leg up with some selling, some push, some selling. Then the pullback here, we had this really nice narrow doji here. And then on Monday, first a push and then a pullback. So intraday sell-off. And I got out at half a risk. So that's all right. For me, that's a valid trade. Although I was taking it off early because I could feel that the market was turning around and I had no confidence. So that's legit for me. Very nice trade, I think. Very nice that I could sit then for the rest of the week. Also very nice. I'm really happy for Apple that I did not hear FOMO in the trade. I had already seen this trade here, but you can see like 1 day continuation, then on the third day already is getting really narrow, no buying volume coming in, and then big pullback here, nearly coming back down, and then another push. So that's not worth it. And it's a Friday, we've got 2 days of weekend. I don't know what's going to happen on the weekend. So too risky, not my setup. I'm not taking it. Sitting back, really happy. Dear traders, that's it for me here. This was my weekly review. 1 trade, 1 loss. Really happy about my discipline. Really happy about sitting there behind my desk, feeling the FOMO, but not touching any mouse or clicks in order to get in or to get out. So no stress at all. Really happy with this. I see that I make constant progress. Really happy. I wish you all a very successful next week. Stay calm. Trade carefully. This is Albert with Trading Diary. Bye. Take care.